How to disable Face ID in Barclays app. First of all, open the Barclays app on your device and log in securely using your fingerprint, passcode, or Face ID. Once you are logged in, tap the More option located at the bottom right corner of the home screen. Next, select Settings from the menu. In Settings, find and tap on Face ID or Biometric Login Settings. You will see the option to disable or turn off Face ID for the Barclays app. Simply toggle the Face ID switch to the off position to disable biometric login. Once turned off, you will no longer be able to log in using Face ID and will need to use your passcode instead. If you want to re-enable Face ID later, just follow the same steps and toggle the option back on. Now you know how to disable Face ID in the Barclays app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more banking tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.